You're watching the It Pays to Save video series where we're showing you smart, simple, successful strategies for finding financial freedom. And we have moved to step number 2, drowning in debt. And today we're going to talk about Americans in debt. Many people say the reason they go into debt is the cost of living is too high. Nonsense. It's the cost of living too high and above your means. Americans spend and charge their way into a hole month after month, mostly charging items that are more of a luxury rather than a necessity. If you were to compare your lifestyle with that of other countries, you would find that you have it better off than 90% of the world's population. And even with that better lifestyle, American household debt is nearly equal to that of their disposable income. Americans are only saving about 4%. Most of us make a comfortable living, and most families have enough money to pay the necessities of life. But it's the luxuries that jeopardize our future. The big screen TVs, the fancy cars, and the expensive nights out. I'm not saying not to buy a big screen TV, but save up for it and don't finance it. And stop looking at just the monthly cost. If you were looking at a $2,500 TV and you put it on a credit card and made the minimum monthly payment, you'd be paying over $7,000 for that $2,500 TV. That's over $5,000 in interest. And it would take you 24 years to pay it off. Assuming the TV would work for 10 years, if you're lucky, you would be making 14 years of payments for an item you threw away years ago and can't even enjoy anymore. I'm not asking you to stop living and to never enjoy the things in life that make you happy. What I'm suggesting is that you put a little money aside each month to buy your non-necessity items and don't charge them. Remember that by paying for the past, you will always be taking away from financing your future. Out of control debt not only limits your future investment potential, it can lead to even worse, bankruptcy. Personal bankruptcies are at an all-time high. 1 out of every 70 households now files for bankruptcy. If you want to talk about ruining your chances for becoming wealthy, believe me, a bankruptcy will do it. One of the biggest damages that a bankruptcy can cause is your ability to purchase a home, and home ownership is the foundation of your net worth. Home ownership is the American dream, and filing for bankruptcy will shatter it. Take debt seriously. Okay, moving right along and coming up next, step number 19, good debt versus bad debt. Please like these videos and subscribe to the channel and visit itpaystosave.com where you can find all the workbooks and ebooks that go along with the program, customizable spreadsheets where all you have to do is fill in the blanks if you don't want to build them on your own, newly released and updated content, exclusive content, limited time offers, and freebies. Again, that's itpaystosave.com where we'll guide you step by step through the strategies for finding financial freedom.